I'm going to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Hey, yo, can I check my email on your laptop?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, thank you.
Google security! Are you a mirror?
Yeah!
I don't buy it. Verify your identity.
How?
What was the name of your first school?
Jefferson Elementary!
What was your first pet name?
Zelda!
What city did you get the first parking ticket in?
I don't remember!
Answer the security question. What city did you get the first parking ticket in?
I don't remember!
Then guess.
I guess DC!
Identity confirmed. Sir, suspicious attempt to access the emails from an unrecognized device. This may or may not be related to terrorist activity. Do you recognize this device?
Yeah!
Do you recognize this device?
Yes!
What is it?
A laptop!
Do you, Amir, authorize this device to access the email?
Yes!
Alright, stand down. Threat is neutralized. Okay, sir, your account is once again safe and secure. Thank you for your cooperation. Move out!
Want to get lunch?
Yeah, Chick-fil-A sounds good.
Nah, man, I want something else.
McDonald's. Hey, did y'all see Naruto last night?
I mean, not really, but I do like anime.